It's spooky, it's creepy, it's mysterious. I love the colors in today's painting. I love the black, the white, the bit of copper, and the shade of teal. Check out today's creation video, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello, everyone. This is your girl Camille from Camile Amoy Art. Welcome to my channel. Do enjoy all my creation videos. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille from Camile Amoy Art. I want to say welcome back to my channel. So excited for today's collaboration. It's going to be a 2-day epic event with 13 amazing artists, guys, and the colors we're using are just amazing. We're using black, teal, copper, and white. Of course, I'll be listing all the colors, the brand names, and all of that in the description box below, so you guys can always go ahead and check out the colors I'm using. And of course, all the participants for today's collaboration, the 13 artists that's performing today, and of course tomorrow. You guys can always go back and check in my description box if you have missed it. I am starting off today's collaboration, and I want to say welcome, and I want to give a big shout out to Donna from Donna M. It's not just art, it's also paint by Donna, and she is amazing, guys. She put together this collaboration. It's our second crossover event, second annual event, and you know what, we are so happy to be taking part in this amazing event, guys. You know what, it's all about the art, okay? It's all about art. If you love art, you are in the right place, and I want to say, I really do appreciate it. It's all mixed media, so you know how I'm doing pour paintings and our fluid art. The other artists, some artists will be doing just fine art. They'll be using paint brushes. Some will be sketching or drawing. So it's a fun mix, all right? You're gonna be entertained. You're gonna be loving it, and the art is really to not only to give you guys information and make you guys feel educated and to want you to try something and to do it on your own. Remember that art is therapy, guys, okay? And when you see all those colors coming together alive, and the colors working on that canvas or that paper, the feeling that comes with it when you see how the colors really stands out, how the colors really perform well. It's all about how the colors play and blend with each other on the canvas. And this is why, guys, honestly, I love the fluid art. I can draw, I can sketch, I can do all of that, but once I found out about this pour painting, the fluid art, I'm telling you, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love the way it's just freeing. You're not tied down to one technique, and it's just beautiful. This technique that I'm doing right now for today's collaboration, it's a ring pour, okay? And guys, if you check my channel, you will notice I don't do a lot of ring pour. I wanted to challenge myself. I wanted to do something different, and I was using that 4 split chamber cup, which I got from my beautiful friend, my Canadian friend, my Canadian artist Sandra from Sandra's Sensations. She's beautiful. She gave me that cup with my beautiful engravement on it, saying, you know what, you're gonna love it. Because I always say that. I always say, you know what, guys, when you do your artwork, if you see me do my artwork, you know what, remember when I post it, I do love it, and I want you guys to feel the same about your artwork, okay? Take pride, don't worry, love it. Art is a beauty, and it's a way of expressing yourself. Never forget that, guys. And if you stay tuned and see how all the other artists perform in today's collaboration, you're going to be amazed. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, you know what, same colors, or I'm using white along with it, but a part of the requirement was to use these 3 main colors, which is copper, black, and teal, but I wanted to use some white to brighten and soften this piece. I love it. I really do love it. So here I am, just having fun moving this paint along the canvas. And guys, remember, it's all fluid, and the fluid will run, and you can manipulate and get that paint to glide across the canvas based on how you want it. It's fun. It's really fun. Guys, let me know in the comment section below, you know, which of these techniques do you like? Okay, you know, if you do watch all my creation videos or some of my creation videos, let me know which technique you think I am good at, or you know, which technique you would want to see me do more of, or you know, which technique you want to give a try. I'm asking you 3 questions here, guys, so do go ahead in the comment section, let me know, you know, if you think this was a fun technique, or you can say, oh my gosh, Camille, you know, you haven't done this technique, I haven't seen you do it, do some more. But yeah, you know, guys, leave that comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear, you know, is this a technique that you have tried before, and what's your success? Let me know. Okay, guys, do interact with this video. I really do appreciate it. Isn't this gorgeous, guys? I'm loving the colors in here. Donna, you really chose some amazing color. The copper in here has so much shimmer, and the teal is beautiful. The black is amazing. And guys, you know, with this tilting that I'm doing, you know, you have to take your time. If you have a composition in your mind, if you have an idea of how you really want to get that paint to speak and represent on the canvas, you want to take your time. I'm going to go ahead and of course spin this out, because I can tell you there's a lot of paint on this canvas. It's only 12 inches, and you know, I have to spin it. If you don't get the excess paint off your canvas, guys, I'm telling you, it will crack on you while it's drying. It's going to dry slow. The paint underneath is going to dry you know, really slow, and then the one on top is going to dry quicker, and then that's what's going to cause the cracking and the greasing and all of that. So make sure, if you do give this technique a try, you know, use less paint. Well, you want to pour enough paint. You want to pour enough paint so you get it to stretch, but never mind, guys. You know what, have fun. Don't worry about what people think, that, you know, all this poor painting technique, or you know, this kind of art is a waste. It's you wasting paint, you're wasting colors. Guys, you only waste paint when it remains in the tube, when you leave it in your closet, when you don't go squeeze it out and mix it to create beautiful art. That's the only time. I see somebody post it on Facebook, and I totally agree. All right, here I am just torching, and of course torching helps to, you know, pop those air bubbles. And of course, you know, while I was popping the air bubbles, I got some beautiful colors popping through the black, and I thought it was just magical. It's beauty. It's a beauty. And you know, one thing I can tell you about the float art, why I really do love the float art, guys, you hear me say it's magical. It is magical, okay, because you have the idea that you want to see the colors how you want them to represent on the canvas, and you have this beautiful technique that, you know what, you're going to try do a pour, and then when you pour the paint on the canvas and you see how the paint react, how they blend, how they merge, how they come together, oh my gosh, it's just a beauty. And I'm telling you, I will never go back. I will still do my sketching, because sometimes you want to embellish a piece. I will sketch, I will use my paintbrush to embellish my fluid art, my pour painting, the piece that I want to, you know, maybe I want to use it as a background. But this art right now, guys, I love it. I really, really do love it. Happy the day I come across the fluid art. Guys, here it is, a close-up of the wet result. This piece is a part of our, you know, collaboration. It's Halloween, and so the colors want to represent, you know, was something in Halloweenish. You know, I was loving it. I'm loving it. I wanted to get something a little bit spooky, because I wasn't going to do any form of embellishing. I wasn't going to create something that looks, you know, maybe like something from Halloween, you know, maybe a ghost or something. But guys, you know what, here it is. Let me know, do you see any figure in here? Do you see anything that spook you, or is it just a beautiful magical piece? I love it. Either which way, whatever you guys think of this, let me know in the comment section below. I will be spinning so you can see from a different angle whatever it is that, you know, pops out or jumps out at you. But one thing I can tell you for sure is that these colors together are magical. They're beautiful. The copper, the white, the teal, and of course that beautiful black negative space with those cells popping through. I love it. I really do love it. I am really happy with this one. But guys, as you can see, I was using a 4-chamber cup, and I had a lot of excess paint. I had paint remaining, and I wanted to do another small canvas. So here I am working on another canvas, and this is a 12 by 12 inch gallery wrap canvas, just a heavy duty canvas. So still using the same cup, still using the same leftover paint. You're gonna see when I pour, I will be doing this ring pour technique a little bit different. So the canvas is on my turntable here, my spinner, and I will be spinning the canvas as I go. Okay, so obviously it's gonna be a little bit different, and I wanted to see how it's gonna react. And guys, at the end I had to show both paintings because I just could not make up my mind which of these painting I wanted to use for the collaboration. So let me apologize. I do hope you love it. And for this canvas, I want to say too, guys, that I had a lot of paint on it. So before I even get to that, I want to show you that I had way too much paint. And you're gonna see, oh my gosh, isn't these colors gorgeous together? I'm telling you, the copper with the black, I think it's just beautiful, and that teal is amazing. I wanted it to remain the way it is, but then of course I had too much paint, and I'm like, you know what, I just want to keep going. And I didn't know I was gonna miss all that, like it was all gonna go off the canvas. I thought I was gonna keep a lot of the colors remaining, but then the white, when I'm pouring the white out and I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh, this is beautiful. I know a lot of artists out there do a lot of ring pours and all of that, or straight pours from these split cups. And sometimes when you do your art, guys, honestly, I'm the kind of person I'm the kind of artist. When I do my work, I want it to represent me. I want when you see my artwork out there, I want you to say, you know what? I recognize that piece. It's done by Camile Amoy. That's what I would love, And I know that in everything that we do, you will be learning a technique from me. But guys, at the end, you have to make it your own, right? And so that's how I think I did with this piece here on this square canvas. I made it my own. It doesn't really look too much like anyone else, and it's just a technique that does show all those beautiful lines. It shows how the colors really comes together, and they come together really beautifully. I love it. Guys, you know what? I remember, I keep saying it. I will say it all the time. Just be patient with yourself when you're learning something new, okay? I am telling myself that too, because this is not a technique that I've done a lot of. Maybe this is the fourth or maybe the third time I'm doing a ring pour. And when I'm telling you, I do it and I post it, because this is my third or maybe fourth time doing it, and I actually post the video. So it's not something that I practice a lot of. Here I am. I'm just making a little bit of adjustment here. The paint in here, I'm pouring it out straight and I'm bringing it across the colors. I want to see what it's going to look like when I tilt and spin all of that in this beautiful pour painting. I just wanted to see what the outcome is going to be. Sometimes you guys have to, think like that. Okay, you know what? I have more paint in here. Let me just splash it, dash it. Swipe it, whatever it is, remember, it's the paint that's gonna react and give you that final result. The colors, you as an artist, you chose the colors. Remember that. The canvas and the paint, they're their own masters. They're their own artists. They create their own masterpiece. That's what I'm looking for. Guys, look at this. It's gorgeous. I was like, yes. Please stay like this. But guess what? I had too much paint. You will see, if you watch the middle of the canvas, you will see the weight of the paint, and each time I tilt, I try to put the weight of the paint back to the center of the canvas. It's a lot of it comes with practice, it comes with experience, but I have to tell you, Donna, I'm just loving these color combination. I wish I had a lot more of the teal in the center, but hey, the canvas was small and I had way too much leftover paint, and yeah, I just went for it. I thought, you know what, I love what's happening here in the middle. I want to keep that. It gives me that spooky feel already, and it's somewhat looking like Halloween, right? So I asked my daughter, okay, which one of these paintings do you think I should choose for the collaboration? She said, Mommy, you know what? I like the one with the black and the white. I'm like, black and white? There is copper in there. Don't you see the level of metallic? She's like, okay, well, I like that one. But you know, it gives you somewhat of a spooky dark night kind of a flow in here, and I was just going with the flow. I haven't named this piece as yet. I'm yet to name both pieces, but I love it. And if you guys have any names suggested, I would really go, you know, really appreciate it if you could just go in the comment section and of course give me some ideas, you know, before I put this piece up for sale. Just let me know, you know, if you have any ideas for names. Loving it, guys. I'm really loving the composition. I'm really happy with this one, and I'm happy that I get to show both paintings in today's video, because you know what, I just couldn't decide, and I'm happy that I did that. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think, and yeah, give me a thumbs up if you do. This is a lot of fun, I'm telling you, even with spinning. And you can tell, you can see, you know what, spinning with this technique, with this ring pour technique, it doesn't really distort your composition that much. You know, it depends on the weight of the paint, and of course guys, how you mix your paint for this technique is very, very important. This paint, they're on the thicker side, meaning that it leaves a mount on a mount before it disappears. So if you mix your paint too thin for a ring pour, I promise you guys, the lines won't be as smooth, it won't be this crisp, it won't be this sharp. Loving it, guys. Do you see any image in here? What do you see in here? I want to know. I'm happy that I did that last little straight pour at the end. I see like a tail, and it's beautiful. It's like a spooky night, you know. I can feel that the Halloweenish fall, that autumn breeze coming out of this piece, you know, like when it's cold and misty, and it's just beautiful. Love it, guys. Really do love it. I keep spinning it at different angles so I can, you know, maybe see what comes up. I hope you enjoyed the close-up. Here is the dried result for both pieces. This is the first one I did, and on that round canvas, the colors in here has so much shimmer. Check out the metallic copper, amazing, really beautiful. And I love that night look from that black with those cells, giving you that like a starry night effect. Beautiful. I still don't have a name for it, guys, but I love it. I really do love it. I'm thinking maybe I'm going to resin this piece in the future because it would look so amazing. Resin, the colors really stands out. The lines are crisp and sharp, beautiful. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what you see in this first piece here from on this round canvas. Let me know in the comment section. And of course, let me know which piece is your favorite. Here is the second one on the square canvas. Same colors, guys, but check the colors, how they react. Check the difference. Check the black and the white, how they really interact with each other, and then the blend so nice. You can see the faint line from the copper and that teal. Beautiful. I do have a little bit of teal showing right here. I love it, guys. It's a beautiful technique, this ring pour. Amazing. Really do give you a galaxy kind of feel. I love it, guys. Let me know what you think about today's video. And of course, the Brit girls are coming up next, guys. I'm super excited to see what they've created. I'm super excited to see what all the other artists have created for today's collaboration. See you guys next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.